Connect machine's camera with the date cable. Open the software, create a new canvas, make sure the device is connected, and connect to the camera port. Place the test material and adjust the laser focus. Set the test engraving parameters. Clicked camera calibration. Clicked home to reset the machine and clicks frame A to confirm the engraving position. After confirming, click Starts to begin engraving. When finishing engraving, click Home to reset. Click Done. Click a camera update, and then clicks Camera Align. Click the intersection points in numerical order. When finished, click Done. Place the engraving material and adjust laser focus. Clicks Capture in the software, and the camera view will be updated onto the canvas. Import the engraving file. It supports image or vector files. Vector files are recommended. After import, you can layer the patterns via the layer panel below to set different parameters. Layering here is mainly for easier preview and placement of the design. Select Fill and adjust parameters. Click Home. Select absolute coordinate, then click Start to go to the engraving confirmation interface. Click Confirm. Place the machine over on its side like so and install the 4 risers. Remove the honeycomb panel, unscrew the base plate screws, and remove the base plate. Place the rotary attachment and level it with the machine. Connect the rotary data cable. Open the software. In Settings, turn on Enable Rotary and select Checked Mode. Measure the diameter of the workpiece and enter it in Eject Diameter. Import the engraving file and rotate it 90 degrees. Measure the engraving area and set the design size accordingly. Switch to fill mode, disable pair function, and set the engraving parameters. Adjust the laser focus and center it on the engraving material. Click Start to go to the engraving confirmation interface, then click Frame to check the engraving position. Once confirmed, start engraving. Switch the check to roller. Adjust the laser focus and center it on the engraving material. Open the software, go to Settings, and change to Roller mode. Import the engraving file and rotate it 90 degrees. Adjust the size of the design. Switch to fill mode, disable pair function, and set the engraving parameters. Click Start to go to the engraving confirmation interface, then click Frame to check the engraving position. Once confirmed, start engraving.